In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos to your call to actions or CTA in HubSpot. So in order to do that, you first need to head over first onto your marketing tab and locate CTAs. Once you're in there, head over and click on this create option. And you can choose right here some templates that you can actually use. Now onto this case, let me head over and choose right here this one. Click onto this choose template. Then after that, this should be able to be created and you can see right here this pop-up. Now for this case, you can choose a button image style for CTA and we just need to add a video for this. So onto the CTA editor, look for the rich content area. So for this case, you can add video. So let's add video right here. You can just drag and drop it wherever you want to put it. This will load and you can head over and just remove this one since we won't be using right here image. So let's remove in here this. Now it will be replaced by a video instead of an image. So click on this select video. It can be an embed video or HubSpot video. So you can just head over and then browse right here videos that you want added. So you can add videos or upload ones either from your file or from the actual URL right here. Once you're done, you can head over and review and publish this. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.